collaboration on Instagram. Hello, everybody. If you guys are also wondering how you can do that, you may follow up these simple steps in order to do so. So, first thing first, you may open up the Instagram application. And then once you open it up, you may go ahead and locate up the post. In order to do so, you may hit over the profile tab in the bottom right corner. And then go ahead and open the profile page and look for the post that has collaboration. So you may go ahead and look for the post, for example, this post right here. Now, all you gotta do in order to remove the collaboration is at the very top of the post, you should be finding a three dot. You can click on it. And then once you click on it, you will be finding this menu. Now, from the given menu, select the option called Edit. And then after clicking on Edit, we have one collaborator right now. So you need to look for this tag option right here in the post. So just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it here, it will show you your collaborators. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on this cross mark right beside the collaborator. And then once that is done, you may tap on the right at the very top. And then once it is done, the collaboration will be removed. Click on right again. And that is it. Right now you can see, you just need to wait for some seconds in order to make the changes, and you can see the collaboration has been removed. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to remove collaboration from Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and see you on the next video.